Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Such a beautiful evening. So I wanted to get out to see the setting sun and to enjoy this moment. So as I was leaving my home, I just received a comment from one of my video, the most recent video. And that comment completely paralyzed me. I don't know what other word I can use. I stopped my car and sitting inside the car and have no spirit to walk, have no spirit to think, had no spirit to talk. I was just sitting there, sitting there. And finally, after a long time, I was thinking, such a beautiful day, maybe I should not waste this beautiful day. Let me just get out to have a walk. And every time when I go to nature, when I see the setting sun, when I see the trees, when I see the leaves, when I see those most innocent, interesting things, I recover myself from brain paralyzation. So I don't know if I am able to talk about that particular comments, particular thoughts. Let's just have a walk and enjoy this moment of nature, of purity. Now you will see the nature. I have my new glasses. Okay, look at it. And I have missed the setting sun because I'm too fragile, too weak. But we caught the little tail of the setting sun at least. So maybe we will talk about the time and the place we are in this time. There is point, there is important value in keeping true to be ourselves. And at the same time, time is changing. We are living in the changing time. Our way of thinking, of our way of doing things change with technology, with available resources. So there is a point that we keep ourselves not to do anything, do exactly like 17 years ago, 18 years ago, how I did video, which is good, which I am still doing. But at the same time, I start to think that time has taught me a lot of new things, a lot more things than just doing the thing the old way, right? For example, I am starting to wasting energy by live streaming, because live streaming is one of the more energy consuming comparing with using AI to generate an image, comparing using different program to generate something that not originally belonging to the very core self. I'm a little bit distracted with anything, anybody. Okay, so shall we stop live streaming? And making video by itself consumes energy. Shall we stop making video? And how do I say? And living in this world will consume water. To be alive will consume water, consume food, consume the fresh air. Do we deserve to live in this world? Shall we not to live at all to begin with, right? What I'm talking about, I do not understand myself right now. I just feel that just being, I just feel that being alive, to breathe the air, to eat the food, is kind of pointless, right? Why do we live in this world if we are spending energy of this world? Right? It's very strange. Today, suddenly, I have this thinking. It's because of the paralyzation, right? But maybe we can all together share some time to figure out so that we can continue to live or not to live, and at least make peace with ourselves, with our existence, or with our non-existence, right? Sometimes we think we waste food to be alive, but if we waste food, other people also waste food. We are ordinary people, right? We may not be the good people, but we are at least medium ordinary people. If we do not waste the food, if we do not live in this world, then the world will be left to the bad people, to the other people, right? But I cannot make sense of my thoughts right now. But just murmuring, thinking about it is starting to clarify myself, right? And nowadays the world is developing into this stage. There are AI thumbnail, there are people making video, and if we are too clear, too philosophical, if we are too self-conscious of ourselves, if we are too clear about the meaning of our life or the meaning of our non-existence, we will completely leave this world to the people who does not even think about this world, right? They may not even care how this world operates, how the energy is consumed. They consume it today. But we are these people also, right? We are part of the problem. And we are the problem, right? That's such a strange thing to think about. And shall we always be what? This is the most depressing video, I think. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Let me just enjoy this beautiful scene and shamelessly exist in this world. Yeah. And driving a car consumes energy. Shall we all go back to walking, to bicycling? And this world, our planet exists, is for us to live, or is it for us to avoid? Right? Maybe we deserve a little bit share of this world. And maybe we should just live ordinary, moderately, and sensefully. Make sense, and that's it. As long as we do not have a 20-bedroom house, as long as we do not fly to 1,000 miles to see boyfriend, as long as we... Gosh, my limitation, my imagination is limited because because I live such a simple life, a limited life. Maybe we should not have a big concert with all the people going, spending taking airplane, or driving, or consuming the food. What I'm talking about. Anyway, it's just this confusing time. And maybe we should all think about it and discuss about it, and then understand it once and for all. I mean, not for all, at least for a month, for a couple of months, so that we can keep on making video, keep on doing live stream, because connecting itself spends energy, consumes, right? And if something has more good than bad, then it's worth doing, right? But how can we distinguish if something is right or not right? How can we distinguish if something is good or not good? What is the standard? What is the line we draw on good or bad? This is a very, very confusing evening chat. And at least it opens a window to see my inner self. Every day I am consumed, I am confused, sometimes clear, sometimes confused. And this confusion makes me curious, makes me wanting to understand more. And actually, problem is always a gift. Problem is always a window to a new landscape, to a new set of scene. To something that we have never thought we need to think about, to discover. In this sense, we should welcome trouble. We should welcome problems. So I have more things I do not understand than I can even try to understand. Oh, look at my hair. Okay, I am about to go back home. I wish you happy every day, and from time to time, waste some of your brain energy, waste some of your time to think about these useless things. It's actually amusing. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Gulu gulu bye bye.